A warning this evening to poultry farmers in Clarendon to be wary about who they engage in business. The warning comes amidst a mushrooming scam where persons credit chicken from farmers with a promise to pay. However, the funds never come. The matter has drawn the attention of the police who are investigating. More from TVJ's DWAYNE Anderson.
A foul enterprise has taken root among poultry farmers based along the central and southern belts of Clarendon. A man who goes by the name Lloyd Smith credits chickens from farmers, but once they hand over the meat, they never hear from him again. Now a pound of chicken can cost $190. One farmer said she credited the man £230. That's nearly $45,000 in losses. Others say they have lost over £300. For a small-scale farmer, those losses can put you out of business.
Up till now, that man have not turned back. He went to Ollie, he went to Mitchelltown, he went to New DWAYNE, in other surrounding and several areas. That man been going on, saying that he's a lied to me. I am not sure that man giving the right name. I can be assured that that man is lying, that man is a thief and a scammer of poor people's livelihood.
According to the farmers, the scam is facilitated by other poultry farmers in their communities who recommend the supposed buyer to them. But the victims don't feel the farmers knowingly facilitate the scam. They feel the other farmers are genuinely trying to help them find markets for their meat. The farmers say chicken scammers have been ruffling their proverbial feathers from as far back as 2016.
And I feel the same, but my mother wasn't here when when him come for the chicken, right? So that is why my mother don't know if I the same person 2016. Is me and Master Rai alone see the man. Right now if I see the man, I know him, right? So him can't stop because we are going to stop you, or the police are going to stop you up on the road when they deal with people chicken and lock you up. Sometimes when you kill chicken done, you back your foot everywhere, you're tired. A 2 week people take for raise chicken, for pay people for them chicken. And up till now, from him say, the next day till now.
At least one of the cases has been formally reported to the police. The farmers are therefore looking to the police to help them nab the perpetrator. But in the meantime, they are putting fellow poultry farmers on alert.
To people who are listening, if a person in this white car or black car come around to purchasing chicken, do not sell him.
A stout guy, roughly about 230 pounds, tall build. Give him name as Light Summit.
DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.